Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 not launching. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to game mode settings. Now turn on this option, then go to captures and then turn off those two options and go to Xbox Game Bar, turn it off. Go to graphics settings, turn on hardware accelerated, restart your computer, and after that go to Windows update settings. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and if you need to restart your PC to apply the changes, just restart it again and then go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, check for updates and install the latest update for your graphics card, then go to settings, scroll down, enable image scaling, and then your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.